Hello everyone, this is my first video. I am going to describe myself. My name is Paula Calderon. I am 23 years old. I am studying sociology. I work as an quality analyst. I have a 3-year-old son. I can describe myself as a person happy, polite, generous. I am an analytical person because I learn in mainly in my work. I am brave because some situations in my life have made me more resilient. Now the negative things about me, I am messy, but I am working to improve. Now I can describe someone on my house. There is a work office. There is a large desk and a very comfortable chair. In the pandemic, I have to accommodate a space to be able to work and study. So now it is a great space for me since I spend a lot of time in it. There is a small bookcase in which I keep the texts that I have acquired line by line. There is an old and beautiful sewing machine. It belonged to my grandmother and it is a great memory. There is a playground. There is a large space to spread the clothes. There is an expensive washing machine which has a large capacity and dries clothes very well. I usually wash clothes on my day off. Also, there is a water tank and laundry room. There is I wash white clothes and jeans. There is a living room. There is a small dining room. I like this space because it is where I can share with my son and tell us the stories of the day. There is an old television which we don't really use. There are two houses for our cats. They play and sleep there. Thank you.